7:30, 8% battery health, part 3. Maximum capacity is at 50%. This is a high-risk repair. The reason why is because there's an existing crack towards the glass. When we open it, that fracture could compound and get worse. So when this happens, sometimes the customer will be upset. And another problem is that the customer from part 1 of this video has his battery that he got from another source. This is a lower grade battery. I'll go ahead and show you guys why and how you can tell. Let's open it like a mystery. First clue: if your battery comes with a pack of these tools, it's automatically suspect. These tools are not really well made, and when you try to do the repairs with these tools, sometimes you'll end up damaging your phone. When in doubt, throw them out. Clue number 2. Gently pick up the battery, give it a slight flex test. Look at how the battery is very flexible in your hands. Don't bend it too much now. You could just damage that brand new replacement battery just by flexing it too hard. But look at how it flexes so easily. Let's go ahead and open up the phone so we can get more hints. Once again, bring out the Black Knight. How rigid and strong that old battery is. Even though it's manufactured in 2017, it still doesn't flex that easily. Let's go ahead and compare it to this one. See, bends too easily. And I'm glad I didn't disturb the old adhesive, because this one doesn't even come with one. Let's go ahead. Final clue in there, but doesn't turn on. See? Battery mysteries upon mysteries.